It's skinny rice, acorn squash, sage, garlic, onion, tomato, ground turkey. This is one of my favorites. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Throw your onions and your garlic in there. Sweat them for about, on a medium heat, 3 minutes. Add your sage. We really want to get this nice and perfumed with sage. This is so fall. Add your turkey, brown it. In the meantime, while you're doing that, scrape out the seeds of your squash, add those tomatoes, and then roast them for about 15 minutes till they get soft. And then we're going to saute this until your turkey is cooked. Add the It's Skinny rice, toss it all together, and we are going to stuff that squash really high, as high as you could get it. Now, you can make 5 of these and keep them in the fridge and heat them up when you want to. It's so delicious. One of my favorite things to eat. Super easy. Look how pretty that is. We're going to throw that in the oven, really pack it in there, add some more sage, and voila, you have this delicious turkey stuffed acorn squash.